Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a GMC Sierra Denali. We're going to start right away up front. You have front parking sensors, factory fog lamps, and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have 22-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains, tears, anything like that on any of these seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and the camera. Taking a look at the bed now. You have a bed rug, bed liner, as well as the cover on top. It's going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.